But of all the dog breeds in the world, who are the biggest? Number 11. Bully Kuda. This massive dog is known as Bully Kuda, or Pakistani Mastiff, and is a direct descendant of the Didnt, an ancient breed of large, short-coated hunting dogs bred to hunt and fight alongside horses and defend their masters' campsites. Some rare samples of Bully Kuda have reached 200 pounds and can stand as much as 44 inches tall. Mastiff. You may recognize this iconic mug as the Dog de Bordeaux, more commonly known as the French Mastiff. This breed stands a massive 27 inches tall and weighs up to 150 pounds. Newfoundland. They may not look it, but Newfoundlands stand between 27 to 30 inches tall, which is about as tall as the average Great Dane. They also weigh an incredible 150 pounds, which is about as much as the average human. Bernard is a massive, friendly, ever-drooling affection machine that stands up to 35 inches in height and is also one of the heaviest dogs in the world, averaging about 200 pounds. English Mastiff. Growing up to a height of 30 inches and weighing in at as much as 250 pounds, the English Mastiff is considered one of the largest dog breeds in the world. The biggest weight for a dog ever recorded was an English Mastiff named Akema Zorba, who weighed in at an incredible 343 pounds, about twice as much as the average human. Neapolitan Mastiff. This breed comes in several colors, including black, blue, mahogany, and tawny. The average male Neapolitan Mastiff stands around 30 inches tall. It can weigh up to a hefty 155 pounds, while females are usually a little smaller, standing a few inches shorter and weighing 110 to 130 pounds. With great size comes great responsibility, and with an average height of 30 inches and a massive weight of up to 220 pounds, the Caucasian Shepherd is surely no easy walk in the park. Literally. And not just due to their size, but also because this breed can have difficulty getting along with other dogs and get aggressive if threatened. But if you think you have what it takes to train and care for one of these beauties to become well socialized, it is now time for today's subscriber pick. We asked our subscribers to send in their pictures for their friendliest animals, and today's thumbnail pick was sent to us by a subscriber wondering about this incredible picture, Great Dane. Number 2. Great Dane. Though they aren't the heaviest dogs, Great Danes are among the tallest, often standing 28 to 30 inches tall, but often they can be even taller. The world record holder for tallest dog was a late Great Dane called Zeus, who stood an incredible 44 inches tall.